Hey guys, just want to take a look at how we create tables in Word. Assignment 14 is all about just tables, no letterheads, nothing else. So assignment 13, actually let's go backwards. Assignment 12 was introduction of the whole letterhead itself. The letterhead, the area, the date, um, the block heading, tabs, body, and then you got to a table. And then assignment 13 was all about the letterhead, which was just the shape, the information underneath it, the bottom border, inserting a date. Assignment 14 is going to be all about tables. And as you can see here, there's 4 different tables that you guys are going to recreate. Okay, so when we open up Word, as you can see, I have 2 different documents here. Okay, obviously I got my one that I'm going to copy, and then I have the one I'm going to do. I'm just going to do a brief introduction to how you should set these up. So I have 4 tables here. So the big thing is I just want you to put table 1, hit enter, and the big thing from there is that you're looking at what you see here. How many columns do I have? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and then I want to count rows. 1. So here I'm going to say it is a 5 by, and then I'm going to count the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 by 12. Okay, so that I'm kind of giving the answer for the first one. So the next part is you're going to actually create it. So if you remember from the walkthrough, you go to Insert, Table, and then this is where you can do it 2 different ways. You can insert a table based on numbers, or you can draw it here. Well, let's see here. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I said I needed 12. Do I have enough? I don't have enough. So this is where I want to go to Insert Table. And I know it's 5 columns by 12 rows. Now, obviously, my table here does not look like the table there, and that's where this comes into play, the table tools, where you're going to be able to choose different layout, the grid, like different styles for the tables itself. So I'll do that, and as you can see here, there is it where it says college enrollment. So I actually am going to right-click, insert, row above, and I am going to shade that white, and then I'm going to right click, merge that cell so that I can put the word college, and I can't see my fonts. And then obviously I want that to be black font, not red. Okay. Now other parts that you guys could do, you could get rid of the top border, get rid of the left border. So you gotta hit them twice to get rid of them. So I'm telling it, hey, that's the border I want. That's the border I'm gonna get rid of. And then from there, then I can put the rest of the table in. Then when I'm done with it, I'm just going to double click underneath it. I'm going to put table 2, and then I'm going to put the dimensions. Just like I have there. Now, the big thing is you can see, I'm going to skip to table 4. I'm going to act like I did table 3. Now I'm going to do table 4. Now this isn't going to be the table 4 because it's going to be, I'm doing this as a challenge to you, but I'm going to do one like it. So as we look here at table 4, we notice that it has one column, 2 column, 3 columns. Now the rows, it's kind of funky. So the key on one where it has merged cells is you look at the most available cells are for the rows. So the least amount would be 1, 2. That's not what we want to do. We want to count wherever there's the most amount. So I know it's a 1, 2, 3 column, and then however many rows it would be. Okay, so that would be what I would do for this one. But I'm just going to make up a random one. Let's say that it was a 4 column by 5. Okay, Well, I know that these, like this one up here was going to be merged. So I'm going to highlight the two, merge them. And maybe I know that these two right here, or three, are going to be merged. And maybe all these over here on the side are going to be merged. All I'm doing is I'm highlighting the cells and I'm merging them. Okay, and that's how you would do what you see here. And in this case, there's not going to be a style for it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to manually shade these this type of cell or table for what you want to do. Okay. So again, this is assignment 14, and it's really you're taking a look at the tables, you're recreating them color-wise. Get them as close as you can. I will tell you this: they're all within the office theme, not no special crazy theme. But look at the font color for where there's color and there's font inside of it. Look at what the cell color is. If it's extra dark, just shade it extra dark and so forth. But that's assignment 14, where you're just recreating the tables as a part of the letterhead. Obviously, if there's anything you need, email me, but this is assignment 14. Good luck.